Show that the system of forces given in the diagram forms a couple and find the moment of this couple. Okay, so we need to make some definitions first of all. So first thing is forces which are parallel and in the same direction are said to be like forces. Forces which are parallel and are in opposite directions, are in the opposite direction, are said to be unlike forces. And then we have like two unlike forces of equal magnitude not acting along the same line are said to form a couple. A couple has a turning effect but cannot produce a translationary effect, i.e. it has a turning effect but can't sort of move up or down, or left or right for that matter. Okay, it is possible for three or more forces to form a couple, like in this example. So again, if we look at the diagram, if we resolve the forces vertically, so upwards we have 16, downwards we have 12 and 4, so they're both minus. And if we did 16 minus 12 minus 4, that gives me 0. The forces are balanced vertically, and there will be no component in any other direction. Hence, they have no translationary effect. Now, if we now take moments, we'll take moments about point A. So, anti-clockwise verb. So 0 times 12, so it has no effect, that force there, when taking moments. And then 7 times 16. This one's going in the opposite direction. This is going anti-clockwise. This will be going anti-clockwise. And then in the clockwise direction, we're going to have 5 times 4. And then if we work out 0 times 12 plus 7 times 16 minus 5 times 4, that will be equal to 92 newtons per meter in the anti-clockwise direction. The forces have a turning effect, and there's no translationary effects, just as we just mentioned. Therefore, they form a couple with the moment of 92 newton per meter in the anti-clockwise direction. Now, I could have taken moments about point B, and if I took moments about point B, it will still give the same result. We'll do 7 times 12, 7 times 12, and then 2 times 4, and then 0 times 16. They're all acting in the anti-clockwise direction. Well, 7 times 12 plus 2 times 4 also gives me 92 newtons per meter anti-clockwise. So it doesn't matter which point you decide to choose. Okay, so this has been a video to show you what a couple is. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.